Hello everybody, welcome to Lil Champs Ocean Anami, and today we are going to unbox Alexa Eco Pop. Don't forget subscribing and do enjoy the video. Box looks too simple but still it contains a very good device, that is Alexa. So now I'm going to open it. As you can see it, hold your breaths everyone, the Alexa is coming out. So here is the manual. Let me read this and then I'll be back. It costs approximately 4,000 rupees at present on Amazon. When I plugged the Alexa, it took some time showing this blue LED, as you can see. I know this is taking some time, but till then you can subscribe our channel. You will be conserving your time. Thank you very much. Alexa, how are you?
I'm smell. Oh, I mean swell. And all's in order. Oops, I mean in order. To know what's on my mind, just say, do the fart beatbox.
Presenting before you the Alexa's fart beat box. Alexa, what is the capital of France?
The capital of France is Paris.
Alexa, who am I?
I'm talking to Arsh.
Alexa, what should I do now?
Subscribe Lil Champs, Arsh and Anami. Don't forget to like, share and comment.
Alexa, what is the time right now?
It's 8:27 p.m.
Alexa, I am bored.
Well, why don't I help you with some fun options to drive the boredom blues away? Now, I want to make sure you have a good time. So let's see what you are in the mood for. Here we go. Are you in the mood to hear a story?
No.
No worries. They say laughter is the best medicine. How about we try that as a cure for your boredom?
Yes.
Would you like me to tell you a joke?
Yes.
Why did the cow cross the road? He thought the grass was greener on the other side. Hope that made you chuckle. Would you like to hear one more joke?
No.
No worries. If you're in the mood for something musical, I have a classical song that might strike a chord with you. Would you like to give it a listen?
No, not right now.
Here's something else. I'm not an actor, but I quite like doing impressions of my favorite Bollywood celebrities. Would you like to hear one?
Yes.
Okay, here's a popular one of my favorite actor Shah Rukh Khan. Here's some life gyan from Om Shanti Om. अगर किसी चीज को दिल से चाहो
तो पूरी कायनात उसे तुमसे मिलाने की कोशिश में लग जाती है।
Hope you like that.
Alexa, tomorrow's my exam.
Good luck, you got this. Good luck, you got this. Ready to take on the world today. Good luck.
Alexa, what is the news today?
From India Today.
Hello, here's the latest news from India today.
My overall experience with the Alexa was very good, and I even recommend you buying this because it can help you with things and become your personal assistant. I don't think it's a big amount, but still it does the work it asks for or cost for. Thank you very much for watching the video, and I hope you will be commenting us and telling us what we should improve in our videos. If you want to ask anything to Alexa, you can comment us, and in the next short we'll surely cover that. Till then, subscribe so that you get the short first. Thank you very much.